Welcome to Soulful Stoic, where we explore timeless wisdom to navigate modern life with grace and resilience. In this video, we delve into how Stoic principles can subtly and powerfully influence your relationships. By adopting these 4 techniques, you can cultivate a presence that others deeply miss when you're not around. Discover how practicing self-sufficiency, embracing silence, maintaining composure, and showing genuine appreciation can enhance your personal strength and make your absence felt in meaningful ways. 1. Practice self-sufficiency. In the realm of Stoicism, self-sufficiency is a cornerstone of personal happiness and emotional stability. This principle teaches that true contentment comes from within, not from external sources. By focusing on your own well-being and developing a strong sense of self-reliance, you become less dependent on others for your happiness and fulfillment. Practicing self-sufficiency means investing time and effort into your personal growth. Engage in activities that nurture your mind, body, and soul, whether it's pursuing a hobby, continuing your education, or maintaining physical health through exercise and proper nutrition. This holistic approach to self-improvement not only enriches your life, but also demonstrates to others that you are a well-rounded individual capable of thriving independently. When you embody self-sufficiency, you exude confidence and strength. People are naturally drawn to individuals who are secure in themselves and do not constantly seek validation from others. This independence can make you more attractive and intriguing, as it signals that you are complete and content on your own. Furthermore, by not relying on others for emotional support, you relieve them of the pressure to constantly meet your needs. This creates a healthier dynamic where interactions are based on mutual respect and appreciation rather than dependency. When people realize that you can thrive without them, they are more likely to cherish the moments they do spend with you, leading to a genuine sense of missing your presence when you are not around. In summary, self-sufficiency in Stoicism is about building a fulfilling and independent life. By doing so, you not only enhance your own happiness, but also cultivate a magnetic presence that others will genuinely miss. 2. Embrace the power of silence. In Stoicism, silence is more than just the absence of noise. It is a powerful tool for reflection, self-control, and presence. By embracing silence, you cultivate an inner calm and create a space for deeper understanding and connection. One key aspect of utilizing silence is learning to be comfortable with it in conversations. Often, people feel the need to fill every moment with words, fearing that silence might create awkwardness or distance. However, Stoics understand that silence can be a profound means of communication. It allows you to listen more intently, process your thoughts, and respond with greater clarity and thoughtfulness. This practice not only enhances the quality of your interactions, but also shows others that you value meaningful dialogue over superficial chatter. Another dimension of embracing silence is taking time for solitude and personal reflection. In a world saturated with constant noise and distractions, carving out quiet moments for yourself can be incredibly rejuvenating. Use this time to meditate, contemplate your goals, and reconnect with your inner self. This practice of mindful silence helps you maintain a balanced perspective and fosters a sense of inner peace that others will find appealing and grounding. By occasionally withdrawing and allowing silence to permeate your interactions, you also create an aura of mystery and intrigue. People are often drawn to those who don't reveal everything about themselves immediately. This subtlety can make your presence more memorable and impactful, and your absence more noticeable. When you are not always available or predictable, others may find themselves longing for your insights, and the unique calm you bring. In essence, embracing the power of silence is about cultivating a thoughtful, introspective approach to life. It enhances your ability to communicate effectively, strengthens your inner peace, and makes your presence more compelling. By valuing and practicing silence, you create a distinctive impression that lingers with others, making them miss you and the depth you bring to their lives. 3. Cultivate a calm and composed demeanor. A fundamental principle of Stoicism is maintaining a calm and composed demeanor, regardless of the challenges and stresses life presents. This tranquility not only benefits your own mental and emotional well-being, but also makes you a source of stability and reassurance for those around you. Stoics believe that our reactions to events, rather than the events themselves, determine our state of mind. By practicing emotional regulation and self-control, you can navigate even the most turbulent situations with grace. This involves recognizing that you have control over your responses and choosing to remain calm and composed. Techniques such as deep breathing, mindful meditation, and reframing negative thoughts can help you maintain this steady composure. When you consistently exhibit a calm and composed demeanor, you become a reliable anchor for others. Your ability to remain unflustered in the face of adversity provides a sense of security and comfort to those around you. They begin to associate your presence with stability and peace, making your absence keenly felt during times of stress or uncertainty. Moreover, a calm demeanor conveys confidence and self-assurance. People are naturally drawn to individuals who project strength and poise. This quiet confidence can be more impactful than overt displays of bravado, as it suggests an inner strength that does not rely on external validation. By maintaining your composure, you demonstrate that you are in control of yourself and your emotions, which is an attractive quality that others will miss when you are not around. Additionally, this calmness allows you to approach conflicts and disagreements more effectively. Instead of reacting impulsively, you can address issues with a clear mind and a balanced perspective, leading to more constructive outcomes. Your ability to handle conflicts gracefully can earn you respect and admiration, further deepening the appreciation others have for your presence. In summary, cultivating a calm and composed demeanor is a powerful Stoic technique that enhances your personal resilience and makes you a beacon of stability for others. By embodying tranquility and confidence, you create an environment where people feel at ease and valued. This calm presence becomes something they will deeply miss, highlighting the significant impact you have on their lives. 4. Show genuine appreciation and detachment. In the realm of Stoicism, the practice of showing genuine appreciation while maintaining emotional detachment is a delicate balance that fosters healthy relationships and personal growth. This principle encourages you to express gratitude and affection for others while simultaneously recognizing the impermanence of attachments. Genuine appreciation involves acknowledging and valuing the people in your life for their positive qualities, contributions, and presence. Take the time to express gratitude and admiration for the kindness, support, and companionship they offer. This not only strengthens your connections with others, but also cultivates a sense of warmth and goodwill in your relationships. At the same time, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of maintaining emotional detachment and avoiding excessive dependence on external sources of happiness. This means appreciating others without becoming overly attached or reliant on them for your well-being. By cultivating inner resilience and self-sufficiency, you can appreciate the presence of others while recognizing that your happiness ultimately comes from within. Practicing genuine appreciation and detachment allows you to love others freely and unconditionally without imposing expectations or demands. This creates a sense of freedom and authenticity in your relationships, where people feel genuinely valued for who they are rather than what they provide. Your ability to appreciate others without clinging to them fosters a healthy dynamic based on mutual respect and autonomy. Moreover, maintaining emotional detachment enables you to navigate the inevitable changes and uncertainties of life with greater ease. By accepting the transient nature of relationships and experiences, you can approach them with a sense of equanimity and acceptance. This detachment not only minimizes suffering during times of loss or separation, but also allows you to cherish moments of connection more deeply, knowing that they are fleeting. In essence, showing genuine appreciation and detachment in Stoicism is about cultivating deep, meaningful relationships while maintaining inner peace and resilience. By expressing gratitude and affection without clinging to attachments, you create an environment of love, acceptance, and freedom that others will deeply miss in your absence. Conclusion. Incorporating Stoic techniques into your relationships can profoundly enrich your interactions and leave a lasting impact on those around you. By practicing self-sufficiency, embracing silence, cultivating calmness, and showing genuine appreciation while maintaining detachment, you create a presence that others deeply cherish and miss when you're not around. Stoicism offers timeless wisdom for navigating the complexities of human connection with grace, resilience, and authenticity. As you integrate these principles into your life, you'll find yourself fostering deeper connections, cultivating inner peace, and leaving a positive imprint on the lives of others. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Soulful Stoic for more insights on incorporating ancient wisdom into modern living. Together, let's continue to explore the path to a more fulfilling and meaningful existence.